So take a silk thread. I'm taking a peach colored silk thread, then golden beads which are small in size. So all this stuff you can buy from your nearest decoration shop. Then take medium sized beads which are coated with golden color. Then jhumka caps and jhumka bases. At last, golden rings. So here I'm gonna do a jugaad. So whenever I was searching on internet about this kind of jewelries, I saw some professional artists twisting their eye pins with the help of twister, and then they used to attach it with a golden ring. So here I'm gonna insert eye pin in that way as shown in the video. So our eye pin should be touched to silk thread, and then we will secure it with fabric glue so that our eye pin cannot move one place to another place. Now adjust the size of eye pin according to the size of your jhumka base. I hope this jugaad will help you definitely, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like this video and comment down your opinions, reviews and expectations about this video, and don't forget to share this video also. Thank you. And one more thing, the video is still going on, so keep watching it and like my channel. Now follow this video and follow steps given in it.